Parents, welcome to Communication Corner. We're going to talk about some basic concepts today and ways that you can present these to your children in a fun and interesting way with items that you have around the home. I have a Kleenex box, the square kind. I've just covered it in construction paper, and you can use it to present many different basic concepts. And I've got an action figure, Spider-Man. You can put it in the box, and you just keep repeating. You say, Spider-Man is in the box. Spider-Man is out of the box. Then you can also use other boxes. If you have a box with a lid, Spider-Man is in the box. Spider-Man is out of the box. And it's recommended that you might only start with one or two basic concepts to begin with, and just keep saying Spider-Man is in the box, Spider-Man is out of the box. Then you can also move to Spider-Man. You could say Spider-Man is on the table. Spider-Man is on the chair. Spider-Man is on the book. Just keep repeating that. Then you can have your child, then you can take their hand and put it on there, and you could have them, Spider-Man is in the box, and see if you can get them to repeat in. They're too young to repeat the whole sentence, but just emphasize in, out. Try these simple things, and you can also use stuffed animals. Find something that's interesting that will hold your child's interest. So you can have a stuffed animal. You can also have a bigger stuffed animal. And you could also talk about the bear is big and the bunny is little. You could also use a train or cars or maybe small dolls. And then you can just use these with different objects that you have around the house. And you can also, after the child starts being able to imitate, I want you to be modeling this. After you model this, then you can have the child, you can say, put the car in the box. See if they can follow that direction. Put the car in the box. Take the car out of the box. And after they have been able to master that, then you would move on to another level where you would put the car in the box. This would be later on, after you've made sure that they can follow the directions and they understand that the car is in the box or on the box. Then you would ask the child, where is the car? And give them a little time to see if they can answer. They might even say, there it is, which is pretty common. But then you can say, the car is in the box. The car is in the box. Where is the car? The car is in the box. So you just wait for a little while, see if you can get a response, see if maybe they could say even in. We don't expect them at age 3 to be able to respond to the whole sentence. You just keep building on each concept that you work on. You're working on their vocabulary. As you're doing this, you're introducing new objects and new vocabulary that they will need. So I hope that this will help you. And there's different concepts that are age appropriate. So as they master some of in and on, off, then you can start with in front, behind, beside, Those are a little later, but first start with in, on, off, out. And another thing you can do with some of the concepts is when you're dressing the child and undressing for bath time or bedtime, you can talk about your sock is on, sock is on, sock is off, sock is on. And then you can do the same thing. You can ask your child, you know, is your sock on or is your sock off? And then start talking to them about that. And while the whole time you be using lots of words and talking to your child throughout the whole process, and modeling good articulation and good grammar. So I hope this helps you. Thank you very much.